Hello everyone, this is Ahmed ghlboy. In today's video, I'm going to explain what is the difference between custom fields and custom values inside GoHighLevel. If you use GoHighLevel and you are on the beginner level, you might find these custom fields and custom values a little confused. So I'm going to explain what is the main difference between custom fields and custom values and how to utilize them. So a lot of viewers have been asking me to create a video on this. So specifically, I'm creating this video to give the answer. And if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do subscribe and press the bell icon so that you can get all the new updates from me. And if you want me to create a video on any of Go High Levels topic, please let me know in the comment. So now without wasting any time, let's just try to understand the whole concept of custom fields and custom values inside Go High Level.
The Go High Level boy,
Ahmed at the GHL boy.
GHL boy,
I'm Ahmad Rashid.
Thank you, Ahmed, and thank you to the rest of your team.
Okay, so here I am inside a sub account. So the first thing is that custom fields and custom values, they are inside a sub account. They exist in a sub account. So I am inside a sub account. The first of all, there are two types of custom values. The one which you can navigate them under sub account settings. And when you go to custom values right here, so these are the one type of custom values. And then there is another type of custom values. They are labeled as same custom values. I wish GoHighLevel has named them separately, but this is what it is. But we have a different type of custom values as well that you can find inside the email builder or SMS builder while typing the email or SMS. For example, if I just show you as an example, so the second type of custom values are these, which you can navigate right here. So just for the discussion, I'm going to exclude these custom values and I will be explaining the one that I showed that you can navigate under the sub account settings. So moving forward, just forget about these custom values and let's just focus or assume that there are only one type of custom values which we can navigate under the sub account settings. And then I will explain this later on. Right now, we are going to forget about these custom values and we will assume that GoHighLevel has only one type of custom values, which are right here. So now I'm going to make a statement which is going to differentiate the custom values from the custom fields. So these are the custom values. And now the custom fields, which you can navigate right here under the sub account settings and which are right here, custom fields, you can create them here, or you can also create them inside the form builder or survey builder or the quiz. So, and then you might find them under here as well. When you go to contacts and you open up any contact, you would be able to see the custom fields in there as well. So when we open them up, so right here, so like this, first name, last name, email, phone, date of birth, and some of the fields are standard field, but these are also considered as custom fields. But moving forward, if you see the rest of all these are all custom fields. So where contacts information is being collected. So now the difference between custom fields and custom values. Again, the custom values, I'm only referring to the custom values which we can navigate right here under the sub account settings. So the statement is the custom values are linked with the sub account, whereas a custom field is linked with an object, for example, a contact or opportunity. So I'm going to repeat the statement. The custom values are linked with the sub account, whereas a custom field is linked with contact or opportunities. So now what does that mean is when we go to custom values and you create any custom value right here, for example, you create any, let's say, business name and you type in any value here, let's say GHL boy, and you have created a custom value. Now actually this is linked with a sub account. What does that mean is if you use this custom value that we just created any place within this sub account, it's going to provide us with this value. So if you just use this inside any email builder, inside any SMS builder, or it doesn't matter to who you are sending to, like you're sending this to 1000 contact or 5 different contacts, it's always going to be this value within this sub account. So this custom value is linked with this sub account, which is going to be unique for this sub account. Doesn't matter wherever you use. On the other hand, custom fields are linked with contacts or opportunity. I'm going to explain only with the contacts in relation. So the same relation will exist with the opportunities. So custom fields are linked with contacts. That means the custom fields will be unique for every contact within this sub account. So if we use the custom field of, let's say we go to settings and we go to custom fields. And if we use, let's say this custom field, this is going to link with the contact to whom we are sending the email or SMS. So this is going to be unique for every contact. What does that mean is we go to contacts, and for example, here I have a contact, this one ghlboy, and if I go to, let's say, any BMR, for example, and if I just type anything here, let's say this one. So now, because this is a custom field, so this is going to be unique for every contact. For ghlboy, its value can be 500, or for any different contact, the same custom field target calories might have a different value. So the custom fields are going to be unique for every contact. The custom values are going to be unique for every sub account. So for example, now when we go to automation, and let's say we go to holidays, or we open up, let's say, any of the workflow. And now if I just type any email, I go to send email. And now if I scroll down and I click here on the top, contact. So these are all the custom fields, right? And you can also see the custom fields here. So if I just select this one, now this is going to be unique for every contact. If I am sending this to a contact ghlboy, it might have a different value. And if I send it to any contact 2 or 3 or 4, this might have a different value. But if we go here and if we go back, instead of custom fields, if we'll go to custom values, here's the custom value that we created. Now this is going to be the same throughout the sub account. Doesn't matter to whom we are sending. If we send this to ghlboy contact, it's going to be the same value as we typed in the settings. That was ghlboy as the business name. And if we send it to 1000 contacts, it's going to be the same for every contact. So that is the main difference between custom fields and custom values. The custom fields unique for every contact or every opportunity. The same scenario exists for the opportunity. Every opportunity will have a different custom fields, or every contact might have a different custom fields. And so custom fields unique for every contact or opportunity. Custom values unique for every sub account. So custom values are linked with sub account. Custom fields are linked with contacts or opportunities. So that's the difference between custom fields and those custom values that we can navigate under the sub account settings. Now, if we talk about this custom values feature, I wish like GoHighLevel has named it separately like dynamic values. So just consider or label it as dynamic values. Dynamic value, what does this do is you can use these dynamic values or these custom values to populate the data. So what does that mean is if you go here, you are able to fetch the data from all these custom values dynamically. So what does that mean is if we go to contact and we just type in like this contact email, now this custom value, this feature is going to grab the data from somewhere else, like on the back end. So if we send it to contact one, it's gonna grab contact one's email. If we send it to contact two, this is going to grab contact two's email. And then the same for based on the contacts. And then if we use these custom values right here, again, it's gonna fetch the data from the sub account settings. So like this custom value feature, this is used to pull the data dynamically. So like this is a little difference between these custom values and the one that we used in the sub account settings. So that was the pretty much difference between the custom values and the custom fields. So if I give you a just recall, so the custom fields are linked and unique for every contact. On the other hand, the custom values which we find or navigate under the sub account settings, those are linked or unique to a sub account. And the custom values that you find under a workflow builder or email or SMS builder, those custom values are actually used to pull the data from the backend to be populated dynamically. So hopefully this video will help you to understand the concept and the difference between custom values and custom fields. And if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do subscribe and press the bell icon. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.
The Go High Level Boy, Ahmad.
Ahmed at the GHL Boy.
GHL boy.
Ahmad Rashid.
Thank you, Ahmed, and thank you to the rest of your team.